Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to walk you through the process of backing up your WhatsApp business messages. Whether you're switching devices or just want to keep your conversations safe, it's essential to have a backup plan in place. First things first, open WhatsApp Business on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account for which you want to create a backup. Now navigate to the settings. You can usually find this by tapping on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen or at the bottom of the screen. Once you're in the settings, locate the chats option. This is where you'll find all the settings related to your chat history. Now tap on chat backup. This is where you'll configure the backup settings and initiate the backup process. Here you can choose how often you want to back up your messages. You can select options like daily, weekly, or monthly depending on your preference. Now select the Google account which you want to store. Make sure you choose an account that you can easily access in case you need to restore your messages later. And if you're in iPhone, simply tap on backup now. And there you have it, you successfully backed up your WhatsApp business messages. Remember to regularly update your backups to ensure that your conversations are always safe and secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.